You know what, guys? Why I always capturing moments with my kids, with my parents, with my family every time we had our gala and pasyal together. Minsan lang kasi nangyayari ito, spending time ng magkakasama, walang iniisip na problems, hindi occupied ang isip sa work. Just giving our precious time with each other. To my kids, habang kami muna ang mundo nila, sasamahan namin sila sa mga adventures nila hanggat kaya ng mga binti kong makalakad kasama sila. I will always give it a shot to be with them. Time will come kasi they will build their own life. They will have their own world. And not all the times ay may physical strength kami para samahan sila. And to my parents, palagi silang bahagi ng milestone ng mga grandkids nila. Gusto ko palaging ma-witness nila ang bawat yapak ng mga apo nila. Kasabay doon nabibuild up ang respeto at pagmamahal ng mga kids sa elders. Dahil lahat ng ito ay magiging isang masayang alaala na lamang in the future na habang buhay nating ite-treasure. It's me, Anne.